Here's a look at the February 2025 issue of MSW magazine, brought to you by American Water Works Association. Attend MTC 25 to learn cutting-edge membrane technologies and connect with industry experts. Explore solutions for PFAS, potable reuse, reverse osmosis, and more through sessions, workshops, and the exhibit hall. Visit awwa.org/MTC. In our cover story, how do you tackle sewer overflows without tearing up city streets? Rhode Island's Narragansett Bay Commission bet big on deep tunnels, and it's paying off. Learn how they're cutting CSOs by 93% while revitalizing waterways. Superstorm Sandy's lessons live on at the Passaic Valley Sewerage Commission. See how 14 new Bilco access doors are making grit chamber maintenance faster and safer for New Jersey's largest treatment plant. Disasters don't wait until your crews are ready. From hurricanes to heart attacks, get tips for a solid emergency action plan and learn how it is vital for safety, compliance, and quick recovery. From kids fixing leaks to seniors painting rain barrels, this Florida Utilities creative programs are making water conservation a family affair. Check out how FGUA's unique outreach is saving water and winning awards. Next up in the case studies, from quick manhole risers in St. Louis to fast valve installs in Phoenix, phased lift stations at Valley Knolls, and London's super sewer tech, learn how innovations helped municipalities save time, money, and boost infrastructure performance. Winter's already here, but it's not too late to learn how to prevent your combo truck from freezing. These tips can help you avoid downtime, costly repairs, and all-around headaches. Make sure you're hiring legitimate NASCO-certified PACP professionals. Learn how to verify certifications, avoid misidentification, and promote integrity in sewer assessments. Whether you're in hydro-excavation, pipe fusion, or trenchless pipe pulling, your crew needs equipment that's built to last. Find exactly that in the product focus. Say goodbye to lead with the new Service PEX. Perfect for both new builds and replacing outdated pipes, it's flexible, durable, and resistant to freezing and corrosion. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.